Are you looking for a home in a 55 and over active community? If you are, you're going to want to check out this one that just came on the market at 348A Jutland Drive in Monroe Township, located in the Clear Brook community. You're going to fall in love with this particular unit. You have 2 full bathrooms, open floor plan. It's all one level living with its own patio, private fence, and a 2-car attached garage. It's so quiet here. It's right on a cul-de-sac. There's plenty of parking, and you're close by the community room and clubhouses. So you will have so much to do and have your own privacy too. So come with me and let's take the tour. Thank you so much for coming on the tour with me of this beautiful home here in Monroe Township. If you have any additional questions or would like to schedule a private showing to take a look, please contact us today. We can't wait to hear from you. Remember, who you work with matters. It's Jocelyn from the Jocelyn Russo Group. Have a wonderful day.